Hi, my name is Noah Anding and I'm a proud business owner of Little Baker's Bake Shop. Over the last few years, my competitive dance dreams have gotten a little bit expensive. As one of 7 kids and a lover of dance, I wanted to help my family and myself, so I opened the bakery to cover my travel costs. I want to raise the $3,900 to attend Dance Excellence in California and the $900 to attend NUVO in Anchorage for dance. This is why I decided to start my own bakery. My business plan accounts for the cost of my supplies, my goals for dance, and a little extra spending money for me. I have met and succeeded my goals. I have flyers put up around local businesses and little business cards, too, that go along with my Facebook Market page. Nothing But Buns is how I started. At $25 a cake, I was taking 4 to 8 orders a weekend and making great progress. I learned how to make chocolate caramel mocha, lemon, white chocolate raspberry, maple, strawberry, pumpkin spice, and others. So I decided to branch out. I began making smash cakes from all natural sugar-free ingredients for littles, character creations, and special orders. I started creating fun confetti surprise cakes and practicing new techniques. I tried my hands on tarts, homemade caramel brownie cookie dough cakes, too. Then I was honored to be asked to make a custom ordered birthday cakes, tie-dye and layered. And I was hired to make a wedding cake. One of my favorite challenges was dairy-free s'mores cake that other bakers had turned down because of the challenge, but this vegan treat was amazing and I was proud. My goal was in sight. I had paid for 1 travel camp, bought myself a bike, paid for summer camp, and had great progress toward my big California trip. So I decided to take a risk and try cheesecakes. This would bring in more money. I'm 1 month away from my California trip. This amazing opportunity to partner with a local business, Big Dogs, and sell by the slice has me inches away from my goal. I'm proud of my progress this year as a business owner.